if 3rd of a month falls on Friday, then what day will be on the 25th day after 21st of the month? Then option A is Monday, Saturday, or else Thursday, Friday, or Tuesday. So Friday is given on 3rd of month, so next Friday will be on 3 plus 7, that will be on 10th. Then next to next Friday will be 10 plus 7 is equal to 10, 17th. And next to next Friday will be on 24th of the month. So after 24th Friday, 25th day will be Saturday and 21st day will be Tuesday. So answer is Saturday.